After 8 months camping across South Africa, we decided it was time for something bigger, and we finally got an empty cargo van.
We are Michael and Acacia, and this is our van Yeti. We have been self-converting this van for 3 weeks, and this is our progress.
Join us as we tackle a sliding pantry, bed frame, and go camping this week. Good morning, friends. Last week's to-do list. I need to make another one. But first, we need to try to tackle this kitchen wall here, and onto that's going to be our new pantry that we're going to be making this week as well. Got it. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 17 of our build, and we've left this overnight to dry. We're going to be switching it around and covering up the back as well. Not everything's going to plan today. We spent the whole day trying to fix the pantry in, but took it out eventually because it wasn't going in. But then we eventually got this wall in, and now we're going to go away for the weekend. We're going camping with a free fence.
weekend camping away with some friends, and now it's time to head to the hardware shop so we can get some more supplies.
So we just cut out some compartments. We're going to have a pull-out table here. There's going to be a trap door here to get into the garage. This is where the bench is going to be, and then this last chute here is going to be for laundry. We left you a few days ago and we were trying to build this pantry because it wasn't working, but we decided to build the box outside, and now it seems to be working, so we're going to try and put it inside just for now. Good morning and welcome to the last day of the week for our van build.
We accomplished quite a lot in these first 3 weeks, but tomorrow we're going to be heading home.
Yeah, so we've got a wedding to photograph on Saturday. Today we started off with some painting, and then we're going to move on to the kitchen.
And then after the day, we're going to pack the whole van full and head home early tomorrow morning. Even though we're heading back home, we're still going to be continuing with the van renovations as we're only about 80% done.
So we officially finished building here in Underberg. We're going to be heading back to East London, so let's pack the car and see you in East London.